Ani Kinoya, caution, bear with me, Ojibwe Moen learner passing through. Miigwetch. I want to cover this lesson here by Darrin Corbiere from Sioux College. He's got an awesome YouTube channel, and this is class number 7 video response to his lesson, Miigwetch. I'll put a description in the section below where you can connect to his class. This was his presentation on the board: past, present, and future tenses. Gi, do, we. These are the 3 I'm going to cover. These ones here I'm going to not cover as much. I will, I did, I am, nui, ngi, ndo. His examples in his teaching was sha, go. I will or plan to go, nui, sha. I did, I went, ngi, sha. I am right now, nado, sha. I put in megwa right now to emphasize that I am going right now. Nado bishkunye, nado bishkunye. I am dressing. Nigi bishkunye, jashigo. Already, another emphasis word at the end. Nui bishkunye. I will want to get dressed. I heard a lot of elders say this. Gas biskunye. I will dress. Ga biskunye. Here's some other examples of using these tenses. I am eating, nuisen, megwa, right now. Nui wisen, I want to eat. Nigi wisen, I already ate, or I have eaten. This one's a nice tongue twister. Nigi git, I am talking. Nigi git, nigi git. I already talked. Nui git, I will or am going to talk. Nui git. Minekwe, I am drinking. Nui minekwe, I want to drink, or I'm going to drink. Nigi minekwe, I put bish at the end to emphasize water, but you can use nibishabo, nigi minekwe nibishabo, tea, nigi minekwe doroshabo, milk. You can use different kinds of flutes. And this one is the last one, bimse. I am walking, bimse. Nui masse, I want to walk. Nigi masse, I walked, I have walked. Ngi, past tense. We, future tense. Ngi, I didn't really use the do, the do. I'm not accustomed to that, but I will look into it and use it more. Well, that's it for this lesson. Any comments you have, please again check out Mr. Darrin Corbiere's YouTube channel. Class number 7 with the Sioux College. Fantastic teacher he is. Mino kinomagin winene getchinishin. Aha. Kiwabmin minwa bamampi